Well, it is our last night in the bungalow, or the last day in the bungalow. We're packing up and leaving. We're gonna go downtown and stay in this quaint little hotel that Fran's brother suggested to us. So let's go hop on those mopeds and head downtown. Alright, this helmet is awesome on me. This is like, I think I'm just gonna start wearing this around just in case I bump my head on something. We're at this beautiful vista right here looking down into the valley, and I wish it was this thing is driving me crazy. I can't talk with this on. So I'm at this beautiful vista overlooking this valley. And I wish it wasn't so smoggy. Everywhere in Thailand it's like super smoggy, so like visibility is minimal, but I could imagine the view would be awesome from here if you could actually see, because there's just nothing but mountains and mountains and more mountains, which is kind of my cup of tea. So it's a fun experience. We came up this super windy road, saw this cool temple, and now we're gonna head back down to town. For some weird reason, since I've been here, I've been fighting like this weird stomach thing, and it like comes and goes, so it's a little bit annoying. So it's here right now, and we're gonna go down, maybe get some fruit to eat, and hopefully it'll put something in my stomach and maybe help that a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna head down the old mountain here and look at my beautiful wife in my rearview mirror. Okay, we're at the elephant sanctuary, so short introduction, and the rest will be just us and the elephants.
He wants more.
The toenail, Asian elephant, we have 5 and 5 toenail at the front, back 4 and 4 toenail. Could be the nature give them good grip because they born in the place of the, like a mountain. They can go up and down here even they're big, they're fat.
These things are amazing. They're huge and they remind me of like a prehistoric animal. They're all rough skinned and a little bit of hair, but very gentle animals. It's kind of cool.
Elephant get diarrhea. Let them eat tamarind. Diarrhea, don't keep the poop stuck. Let it out. Let it out.
How do you know when an elephant has got constipation?
Look at the poop.
What?
Normally it should be hard ball. Hard ball. And every day they will poop a lot. If the poop sound become like a little bit brown or dark and it's not like a hard ball like this, elephant have problem with the stomach. You have to help them by hand here. That's easy.